But here's the truth. This isn't complicated. It's actually the simplest financial roadmap you'll ever hear. Okay, here, I want you to focus on three things: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That's it. These are the three stable coins, not meme coins, nothing. None of that extra stuff. No get rich quick schemes over here, buddy, okay? Just the pillars, the proven ones, the ones being integrated into our financial systems right now, okay? Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XR. I'm not telling you to gamble your savings like you do on a lottery ticket, like Americans spend about $400 a year. I'm telling you to get educated. Use AI, use ChatGPT, use Claude, whatever you got to access. Ask questions, learn from the language of the blockchains, which you need to figure out what that is, because the truth is, if you do not, you will regret. You will spend the next decade watching other people live the life that you could have had. The difference is, are you paying attention? People that are rich are paying attention. They've educated themselves. They're acting now. They're taking the opportunity to educate themselves and be thoughtful and mindful about what's happening right now. You know, there's a book called The Bitcoin Standard that I read. You should read it. It's a great book. It breaks down the history of money from seashells to cattle to gold. And when you read it, you realize something very profound. Value is just whatever we as human beings agree that it is. And right now, cryptocurrency is something we all agree exists. The world is agreeing that digital assets have value. This isn't a catch anymore. This isn't just tech geeks on Reddit chat. Governments are integrating it into their system. Banks are adopting it. The largest institutions on earth are building their futures around this. This is happening whether you like it or not, whether you understand crypto or you're completely ignorant. The only question is, are you going to participate or are you going to get left behind? The choice is yours. But don't say you never had an opportunity to be successful, because never in all of human history has a financial technology been adopted this fast, have been released to regular human beings. The internet took decades to create this kind of stuff. Smartphones, nearly a generation. Crypto, barely 10 years. That should wake you up. Crypto came just like that. This isn't a fad. This isn't a phase. This is the future of money. Are you educated on the future of your money? And it's happening right now. People who adopt will thrive, just like AI. People who don't will wonder, damn, what happened to my life? Well, you didn't adapt. You didn't take AI seriously. You didn't take crypto seriously. You're not taking change seriously. So you're going to get left behind. So here's what I want you to do today. Stop thinking of crypto as something foreign or confusing. Your money is already digital. Say it to myself. My money is already digital. Now it is time to make it work for you. Start small. Start with educating yourself by listening to podcasts like this. Learn what Bitcoin actually is. Learn why Ethereum matters. Understand what XRP does for international payments like Western Union. You do not need to be a trader. You just need to be aware of what's going on, because the rule of 72 that I learned as a financial advisor still applies. Compound interest. Every time you put money in, it builds, it builds, it builds. But now your money can work 24/7 in the market that never sleeps, called crypto. That's not hype. It's simple math. I'm educating you on the financial education that you never got. Change is uncomfortable, but regret weighs tons. It gets worse, right? So 5 years from now, when you look back, I don't want you to say, I wish I had paid attention, or I want you to say, I'm so glad I listened to Gerald from Fearless Conversations. I'm glad I saw it coming. I'm glad I acted as quickly as I did with Gerald on my side, because this is the right moment. The time is now. This is the greatest wealth transfer of our generation. It's already in motion. You can participate, or you can watch other people be successful. But don't say nobody warned you. Your money is already digital. Say it with me. Your money is already digital. Now make it work for you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Educate yourself. Take action and don't look back. Trust me, I've already invested in these things. That's why I'm telling you. That's what this episode is about. If this hits home, make sure you share this with people who need to hear it. We're on Apple, Spotify, YouTube, because we can help each other together. Thank you for watching Fearless Conversations. Thank you for watching, because in a small way, you guys are part of our history here on the channel. And I'm so happy that you guys joined us. Make sure I'll see you on the next episode. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. This has been another episode of Fearless Conversations with Gerald Fears. I'll see you guys soon.